Okay, so what we got here is a Mercedes Sprinter 2021. It's installed with the Starline M66 V2 system. Now, this system is an immobilizer, tracker, and phone call notification system. So, if a thief tries to steal your vehicle, because they do not have the Starline tag with them to disarm the system, when they go to turn it on, the vehicle will not turn on. So it is fully immobilized. And what's going to happen is the system's going to call you on the phone to let you know that someone's trying to steal your vehicle.
Enter command code. This command is unknown. Enter command code or dial 0.
So when a thief goes to try and start the vehicle will not start. And what's going to happen is the system will call you to let you know that someone is trying to start the vehicle. As you can see, it calls you.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on. The car's condition is on alarm system set.
So yeah, on the app you can see that someone's turned the ignition on and they can't obviously start the vehicle. So what you gotta do when you get in the vehicle, you need to disarm the system with the Starline tag provided. So you turn the system off. Right, the system is now off. Now you can turn the vehicle on as normal. The system comes with a smartphone app included with tracking, remote immobilization, and you also got service mode to turn the system off completely. If you want this installed on your Mercedes Sprinter, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.